abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, a company which caters for all your media needs, be it photography, video editing, podcasts, film and television production services, social media management, you name it. Deb3 ikhona ke iyalenzela konke khona lokhu. Salamukela ke to Enkundleni Exclusive. Ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual. General. What's up?
Weqana.
Kwethu ndono aqoka ijes.
And lapha phela ama-light ethe-Bria abegudumeza e-studio. Lapha phela i-soft life. Karo ngavela uphume phandle manje. Weqanda.
Yeah.
But la is-soft life. La e-studio yabona life is a stew.
Okay. So talking of studio, guys, also if you have needs in a studio, Deb3 ikhona lapha kule studio for hire, rehearsal space, konke kukhona. So just get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts on your screen khona lapho.
Yeah.
So hey,
Zekhaya.
ngike ngabona omunye umuntu eposta ku Facebook esithi ukungabi le kuthiwa ungabi lama resources ayisiso siviko sokwehluleka ukwenza ulutho sokwenza ukwehluleka ukuproducer, so ikona Deb3 guys, ungabi lokhu sithi mina ngila lokho ngila. Deb3 has got everything for you.
Yeah. Salwanani Magadi, hello, welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. This is your boy General Leslie. Wani umfana okwazi ukuhlekisa abantu kobulawayo kuphela, okunye dodi anyadlala.
Ufuna ukukhuzwa.
I've never
Ufuna ukukhuzwa.
but well, special thanks to Oguhle Designs, our day one friends, our day one partners. We've been together in this journey, and Oguhle Designs, you guys are doing a great job. My poster for my comedy show is gonna be out, I think in 2 or less days, proudly done by Oguhle Designs. I think Liza Ibonim Sevenza. But they do a whole lot of stuff, t-shirt printing. I'll be also doing a banner with them, and yes, I would cool man. You just get there and say, we are doing a music concert. Abese City, is it for church or is it for church? Aqala ukubhala sokulibuka ke abese kuqhubela ibhulela uzubhala kusasa uyabuya uqale so lama face wena azonganekwane le. Visit Oguhle Designs kuma details engiwafakile khona apha, and just make sure ukuthi lawo yazitholela proper printing. Ayikhona lawa ama uniform enyaye ngiwabone. Uthole kuthiwa crucified. Crucified la bemcrucifyile so
uqalile.
But guys, like especially when we're doing events, like let's plan it. After planning it, like let's have that classy mind into it. And kulelinye poster so nxa ulibona so yaqasa ukugawudi konke ikokuthatha $10 konke. Poster so amafesi so avefaka amabhoxini so le box le face nokule box so le face. Guys, let's visit proper professional spaces that can give us proper quality, and okunye okwenza ukuthi into zethu zibe zimbi uthanda ukucela mawucelile kuzima ukuthi ipicture le wrong awuphathala
uyazi uthi uthiwa
uyacomplaina njani ungabhadalanga.
Kunomuntu ongikhumbuza yena ngendaba yokucela le but sizathi sikhuluma ngayo indaba yokucela. So guys, we saw it's been an interesting week. This past week has been actually very, very interesting. Sibonile lathi kobulawa sike saba lokuyiskandal nyana nje okuke kwaba khona. We saw there's a guy called Leroy. He's an artist, he's a painter. i-Facebook name yakhe it's Mural Art, if I'm not mistaken. So this guy is actually made it to the headlines, the B Metros and stuff like that, for leaving his wife and 7 children for a side chick. Why are you clapping your hands?
Well done, Baba. Well done.
Really?
Eh?
Really?
Auntie wenzile i-decision yakhe.
Ususumkazela. You're not serious. So now the thing is, what I found interesting about this entire issue is that this affair has been going on for 7 years. Guys, 7 years singasambiza ukuthi side chick. Like seriously? 7 years.
As long as imoto vele ingakangeni ku-center parking, isagijima nge-yellow line, side vele kuye anti yena phela abengabizwa ukuthi kuthiwa Mrs.
Khuluma ngesintu kuzwakala.
I-side chick ngesintu.
Uthi nxa usithi imoto ingakangeni.
Alright, as long as kulomfazi endlini labantwana ukuthi nxa mbuya kuwe wena nyafika ngikutshela ukuthi unkosikazi wami amele angabe kwazi ukuthi ngila. Even kuyi-19 years kwi-side chick. Hayi umfazi wesi-2 ngumfazi owaziwayo. Anti as long as usafihlwa phela umuntu lo befihlwa lo.
So okay, sesimazi kathesi. So sengumfazi ngoba
kathesi official phela. Anti ukhulumile uLeroy ku statement wathi ngiyamthanda.
You are not serious.
Ngiyamthanda.
But now the thing is uLeroy, I don't know if it's him, but there's a message that we saw under that post.
Yeah.
Esithi I saw your post lokana has been hacked. Because ukupost khona phana sibone le picture kasisi uNoxy. Nox.
But yena kamphika nti.
Hayi ukaphika ngosisi uphika ipost.
So right phela. He's okay.
So you know kungivuselela imbuzo eminingi kakhulu. Issue neliye ukuthi 7 years singasambiza ukuthi side chick number 1. Number 2, 7 kids, guys.
What's wrong with 7 kids?
How can you leave your wife ukuzalela abantwana abangu-7?
Hayi, unkosikazi kanizalelanga abantwana abangu-7. Mina lo nkosikazi sizele abantwana abangu-7.
Nxa sizele abantwana abangu-7 utsho ukuthi kumele bashiye phela izibongo. Ukuzalela abantwana ngoba isibongo sakho.
Yikho phela. Wena nti la ubufuna lawe. Ukuzala la ubufuna.
Bengifuna ukukuzalela.
Yikho phela nti.
So nguzalele.
Le yi-decision wena owayithatha.
Ngoba nxa usithi ngoba abantwana labana nxa besithi kithi. They're not talking of the mother side. They're talking of nxa besithi kithi. Ngakithi. Nxa besithi usendo lwami, usendo lwethu. They're talking of the father side.
Umama lo nguye some weeks ago owayesithi abantwana kumele basebenzise izibongo zani nina.
Yikho phela ngikutsho ukuthi sisi bengazisebenzisi isibongo.
Mama lo.
Yikho phela ngikutsho ukuthi
ngicela limkhangele nangu mama lo muhle kangaka.
Zona yikho phela ngikutsho ukuthi since abantwana babe besebenzisa isibongo sakho general. Wena ugeneral isibongo sakho nguLeslie, abantwana abako Leslie.
So wena asobakho abantwana la.
As long as ngabami kodwa ngizalele wena. That's the thing.
60% yeningi kamama.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mina vele science angenza mina umuntu ama-arts. Inganekwane uChaka wasuka wahamba wacrossa umfula uChaka walwa uChaka elomkhondo yizi izinto engangezishayise.
I'm saying what kind of afresh do you want to start after having 7 children?
I get your point. Yeah. Equally though, I think mina akumelanga obe toxic with I'm not saying she was and lapha we're talking generally using this as a reference.
Yes.
So don't be toxic in the name of I have kids with Leslie. Because I can go where I can find happiness even after 15 kids.
Now, General, bese ngibuza umbuzo. Abantwana 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. I-toxicity yangikhona uyibone after umntwana wesi-7.
Umuntu uyatshintsha. Umfundisi ekhuluma.
After 7
Uyatshintsha wena. Izolo ubungaqokanga so.
Hayi guys.
Umuntu uyatshintsha. Yeah, but that actually happens.
So ngikhona ubona i-toxicity yomuntu after 7 kids.
People change.
Okay, now for you to see ukuthi men have the guts. Usechiya abantwana laba bangu-7. I'm not saying he's going to do it.
Yeah.
But usechiya umfazi labantwana laba bangu-7. Usesiya ku-Knox. Maybe uNox kala mntwana, uNox lo mntwana kwe-1.
Yeah.
Do you know ukuthi he can go to Knox and demand another kid?
And lapha lami wathi ngikhulume because we always say men have the guts, but I feel like women have the guts. Because for 7 years, Noxie knew that there is another woman there with 7 kids. And this guy is coming to me and Noxie is so welcoming.
Yes, because Knox.
So both men and women have the guts.
Can I tell you something? uNox kakho emchadweni kala agreement lo muntu kala contract lo muntu kala arrangement.
But the reason why this woman is crying is because of a woman.
No. The woman is crying because of her husband.
Of a woman.
No.
Akamchiye sithi ngepower, akamchiye sithi semfuba ngufaka eRoma. Uthi ngikuchiyela umancu.
No, umancu. Okay, guys, uNox akachadanga. uNox kala sivumelwano lo muntu esokuthi till death do us apart. uNox kala sivumelwano lo muntu esokuthi I will be faithful.
Yes, 3.
uNox kakho ku any sort of written contract kumbe written agreement eyasayinwayo.
Perfect.
Right. Umuntu obreach contract. Umuntu with you can't breach a contract that you are not in. Umuntu obreach contract ngumuntu ohamba wasayina phambi kwama witnesses wathi you are my one and only. That is Leroy.
Yes, perfect. uNoxie yena akala contract lo muntu but ungene ku contract yomunye umuntu waba ngu subcontractor. Uthola abantu because sithi uNoxie bengakwazi yini. Was she not aware? She was.
No, she was aware.
She was aware.
She's only responsible
for 7 years. Yes.
For herself and her needs.
The selfish by the way.
Everyone emhlabeni is selfish.
Wazi into esikhuluma mfalo uthini? Uthi mina yakhumbula amajensi ami lawo e4 meter lawa. Udriver bese sithi mina angenanga ebank. Mina anithwalanga umbhobho. Njalo mina anithwalanga ama-safe emali. Mina bendrive imoto etshontsha imali.
Nxa esekhotha ungamsola yini ngathi. Nxa esitsho njalo ungamsola yini.
uNoxie udriver la. Amajensi athwele ama-AK emuva so uNoxie nguye etshaya. So without this driver ngaba amasela wayanga.
Hayi amasela vela bezadinga omunye driver wayo.
So driver uyafunakala ukuthi kube yi-complete crime then. Ukuthi into leyi.
Hayi.
The only thing that makes Leroy wrong is Noxie.
What are you saying? No.
What is it? Where is his wrong?
Because Katesi,
where is his wrong?
Don't pretend as if men don't cheat with other men. Don't pretend as if.
No.
After 9 lapha kobulawayo.
We are agreeing.
So which means even uNoxie engekho liza cheater still.
But lapha uLeroy la into enza uLeroy abe wrong uNoxie.
No. Ubani?
Akazakayali umuntu manje.
Ngiyala ngoba ngifuni.
Emncubeni yazo yala abantu wena. Unqobe yalo yabo sithi.
Umuntu osingu zamthatha nga.
Yabo?
Orongo ngulo oqamla isivuno isivumelwano alaso. Mina lasivumelwano lo muntu. I don't owe anyone any loyalty. I don't owe anyone anything.
So,
Umuntu wrong
mina
ngulo
ubulungu bami.
othembise umuntu wathi nguwe wedwa up to death you are the only one.
Yes, and I agree. And wena ubungu only one, kareso kwenza ungabi ngu only one nguNox. Iminyaka yonke le baby ubungu only one, but khathesa kusavumi man ukuthi ube ngu only one man, sokulo Nox man.
No. I think it's high time men start taking responsibility of their actions.
And it's
You
high
know what?
time women start talking
if you
about
want-
polygamy
if you want to
at
be a-
grassroots
No.
level. Siqalisa ukudate
Zwan-
ukuthi uthi amna mind
Zwan-
ukuthi ube labafazi
The re-
abawu-3.
I can't say that when ungachonga ukuthi you are a polygamist. Now the
Angisoze
thing is,
ngikutsha ukuthi i-polygamist uzanyala.
Now the thing is, if you want to be a polygamist, do it in the open and proudly. Ungakwenza ucatshile usenzela ukublema oNox. Nxa wena uvele ungakhuthwa yisketi.
Yeah.
Do it proudly nje laphana sibe kwazi ukuthi ugeneral vele
Kodwa
into
wena
okuthiwa isketi.
awukwazi kodwa ukuthi asikhuthwa isketi thina
Ubani?
in general njengabo baba
Ukuthini?
ukuthi asikhuthwa nje.
Bakhona obaba abangela ndaba leziketi.
Yibo labana obukhuluma ngabo ukuthi abadliwa yini ngamanye amadoda.
Okay. Now, you know what? I'm actually so happy because we're talking about this when I'm also about to release a book.
Yes, I wanted us to talk with
something
that.
to do with family dynamics and stuff like that.
Mhm.
So the book is Isihlalo Sikababa,
Okay.
right? And
Isihlalo as in
Isihlalo is on the chair.
the chair.
My father's chair.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes. So sikhuluma ngama responsibility okuba inhloko yomuzi.
Mhm.
And so nxa sikhuluma ukuba inhloko yomuzi, we're not only talking about the wife, we're also talking about the children. Because now, so if you are now the head of the house, you are now leading the entire family. Angithi, obviously bakhona abaza kudiphethe into wakhona, but
Yeah.
that's what most of us believe. And so wena nxa usuflathela umfazi wonke labantwana, I think okhokho bethu babehlakaniphe kakhulu sibili besithi umfazi kayaliwa noma ungasamfuni umfazi ungamali.
Wenze njani?
You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Ukuthi umfazi kayaliwa.
Yeah, but imbuzo
Uyabusu-
yenze njani?
Obvious ingcwaba usithatha omunye umfazi.
Yeah. So mbaphayile.
Imuli yakho awuyilahli.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah, that was
So
the saying.
going back to Leroy, I'm saying ukuthi yena ngokubona kwami ukulahla kwakhe umfazi, because according to the headlines ungani usethena labo ngabamembijana yena sefuna ukuziphilela lo Nox, which I think is not wise. I think it's high time. Even i-problem ekhona ukuthi kade sibe kuyi-Father's Day and I saw a lot of posts abantu bekhuluma ngama-single mothers.
Yeah,
But it's Father's Day, guys.
Yeah.
You're
And
talking
that's
of,
so selfish.
You're talking of women. You're not celebrating yourselves. You're not celebrating other men. You're talking of women. And then the next thing you say, Tina omama basinaki.
Now finally you say something.
Because if you notice i-gap ekhona, if you notice nge-Mother's Day, omama bayaziposta, hey amembo kodwa ngangcono ngizipraise mina. Ngiziposte ngithi a fighter, a winner, a this ngiziteme. But what do? Instead of posting yourself and saying a brave man, this man, you are there talking about women, single mothers, girls, even young girls. The likes of a whole Hopewell Chinono. Mthole poster ngabafazi ukuthi this one you can't teach, this one you can't control, this one you can't do this. But it's Father's Day. Instead of men teaching each other about being the head of the households, ukuhlala ezihlalweni zabo responsibly, instead of spreading that message, no, let's talk about women, let's talk about single mothers, let's talk about divorced women, let's talk about older women, let's talk about our fellow guys, let's talk about young girls. Yabo. So I think that's where another problem is. Alizinaki lina, you are busy looking at other things.
It's not entirely about us singazinaki, but it's how we are raised. We are raised in a society that doesn't care about us. So every time we are not looking, angizikhangeli mina, bari ngikhangela omunye umuntu ukuthi kanti unowenzani lapha, because the society ungashaya esikolo buyelwe emthaya ukuthi ayenjani. And usisi wakho mawuhamba layo, usisi omdala mawuhamba layo wena omncane achawe sokumele wena washaya amajinsi lawana, otherwise endlini bafika benjani bekucha. So ukhule ku society lana ukurejecta, yikubona impilo yomntwana mawukhulele emakhaya. Umfana omncane akukhulunywa iminyaka, kukhulunywa into azelusayo ukuthi useyelusa imbuzi, useyelusa amadonki, useyelusa inkomo. Akukhulunywa iminyaka ukuthi, but inkazana kuyakhulunywa sibili ukuthi hayi uselungela ukwenda. You understand? Usengumama, useyintombi, like baya sondezwa like kakhulu ukuthi hayi no buya ngumama uthende and what. And so because of that, when we grow up now, we become like hardcore. Ikhanda lami vela lisasebenzi mina ngoba indoda ikhali, indoda iyalwa, indoda this. And so even ungaze ukuthi Father's Day vela ngikaya ukuthi because ukufika endlini ngilesinkwa akucelebratewa, but kukhulunywa ngokuthi mfike ngelaso.
Can I ask you something?
It's not a problem.
Can I ask you something? General, can I ask you something? You are saying abafana babekhuliswa i-age yayingakhulunywa kakhuluma ukuthi
welusa imbuzi kukuncane uzoqhubeka welusa imbuzi.
Okay, basing on that, why khathesi ungazi-celebrate? Because I think somehow indirectly that was a way of celebrating ukukhulu ukuthi lo sesukile ku stage sembuzi sesenkomeni. Why khathesi ungazithi okay mina this is what I do? Because since when u recognizewa ngokwenzayo, the thing is mina my point is, why are men so invested in bashing women even on Father's Day? Because on Mother's Day,
that never started with men,
on Mother's
though.
Day nxa siziposta wesosokuthiwa silizwe ngeFather's Day selizicelebrate lini. Okay, sifikile iFather's Day zicelebrate nini ke? No, we are busy about women.
No, but that never started with men. That actually started with women.
What do you mean? You're saying society ainagi mama.
Wait.
But that is all because of patriarchy, and which was created by men.
No, the Father's Day thing, and Menavela wanted to speak about it, I think 3 years ago, because that never started with men. It actually started with women. Because on Mother's Day, and we don't talk about, and in Mother's Day, we just celebrate everyone as a mother. Happy Mother's Day. And but tina supposed to city lani linabo mama lingagciniyo abantwana, lani linelenza ama-abortion. We don't talk about all that. And but on Father's Day, that is where we now start to raise issues.
I can actually,
Father's Day gini.
open my phone here. I can actually open my phone here. Lama referrals where women are also bashed on Mother's Day.
Because you guys started.
No.
Tina, we're just following suit.
Okay, it's fine. So Mother's Day, you are bashing women. Father's Day, you're bashing women.
Yes.
It's a war. You guys,
it's a war. Viva Mantota, viva. Viva Mantota, viva.
I remember this other day I was talking with this omunye umfundisi like sikhuluma ansakwasakhuluma ngani indaba yokuzondelana nale sithi, now the funny thing is mina angizondi lokhena ukuthi uyazonda wena mina ngingakwazi ukuthi unizondele. Kudla bani?
Yeah, kudla mina phe ngizondele.
The same thing is khathesi women abafazi ngicela ukutshela one thing, they are not going back on this one. Women are celebrating themselves. Women are empowering themselves. All, even a slay queen, even those women that are viewed as immoral, they are celebrating themselves. I'm gonna get to muntu etweka ku Instagram yakhe and everything.
I always say
celebrating themselves.
Why? Ufike power so uthole ipower le lamadoda wodwa.
Can I tell you something? Umuntu ohappy kachonela ukuthethisa abanye. If you are happy.
But let's take reference especially of the people that were bashing, and these are people that are always bashing everything. Even if you jump, they are bashing. The people that were bashing It's people that we know that every day they are not bringing anything positive. As long as you are not on Hopewell's side, you are wrong. So we can't give reference of all men using such men.
Ukuthi ama role models enu abalimeleleyo bakhona.
Asimelelwanga thina sezimela thina simelelwanga. Thina abantu babesimela ngabochaka. Yeah. Mina sure ngingaka ngimelwe ngophu. Hayi.
So mina my point is and I know kulabanye bazathi she's a woman ukhulumani. But mina my point ngokubona kwami, I'm a mother of a young boy who's growing up to be a man. So I'm invested in this. So mina ngokubona kwami anti as men should be teaching each other. They should be giving each other information. They should be encouraging each other. Ukuthi isihlalo sika baba nxa kuthiwa hlala esihlalweni sakho, what are we talking about? Indawo yakho as a family man yiphi? Indawo yakho as the head of the house yiphi? I think that's what you should be teaching each other.
Wait.
Not ukuthi kuthiwa hey single mother.
A problem ekhona. No. Mana nguche, this is a brutal fact. A problem ekhona is everyone thinks they know what men should be doing, but they don't. And people assume they know the struggles of men, but they don't. And like you're saying, you think we don't teach each other about how to be a man. We do, but you can. Yes, we don't. No, we don't do it the way you guys do it.
We are seeing. We are on the only things that we are seeing on social media is negativity. We're not seeing any positivity from men.
The lives of women are centralized around social media. That is why ubona even amadoda angamadoda, and the only way to start getting views versus amaskets, they dress like women.
Okay.
Men are reserved. Real men, they are so reserved, like they have a lot. I'm telling you, so, and you'll assume they are meditating. They are planning the next day and the day after and the other day. They are planning what happened previously. Where did I get it wrong? What should I do? And but like I said, when they get home,
so they do that on their own.
Not on their own. As men, find men in their own spaces. As men, they talk. Men talk more than anything. Men talk about bedroom life with their women. They talk about kitchen. Men talk. But you guys will never know because, Lina, you guys have taken it talk to, it should be public. That is why.
Can I ask you something?
Wait, before you ask. Do you know ukuthi Thursday abo mama le? It was so sacred kudala ukuthi you wouldn't know what was happening. And by then, real stuff was taught there. Now, inkulumo zalezana ezikhulunywa kusihlanu sabo mama, you'll find them circulating on social media. And you listen to what this other woman is teaching this woman, you realize this is nonsense. This is not it that women were being taught kudala.
Ukwazi njani khona it was sacred kwakungaphumi? How do you know what they were being taught kudala?
We could see by their fruits. Which these people are well taught.
You guys.
We could see that these people are well taught.
You know what, guys?
They would encourage their wives to go to church because of it Thursday.
You guys.
Thursday,
so okay, can you tell me something? Besides ways, because from what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing is these days, especially in ensukwini zanamhlanje, you find ukuthi mostly men, they are teaching about, hey, have money, everything will come to you. That's what most guys are teaching about.
That's what you think.
And nxa likhuluma nge-empowerment, nxa likhuluma nge-empowering each other, you're talking of ukuphakamisana business-wise, financially. Guys, social life is actually very, very important.
Our social life is
very
different
important.
from your
But
social
just talking
life.
of spiritual life, a church, you tell 100 women and 5 men.
Right.
Then,
wait. I want
the
to
reason
argue
why
that. That's a lie. Actually,
because they
that's
don't
a lie.
go to church.
we are mostly exposed to churches that are filled with women because these are prophetic churches. Women follow prophets. But go to churches like Catholics, go to SDA, go to Methodist, old churches. These are proud men.
Still, men are outnumbered. Everywhere. I go to a traditional church. Men, abo baba baluchwani, and I visited. It's because you don't care about your own spiritual lives.
No.
At church, you are outnumbered.
Can we talk numbers? Let's talk about most pastors that you know. Are they male or female?
No,
don't say no.
Do you know the reason why? Do you know the reason why? It's because kwavela kukhona okwakudala ukuthi vele abafundisi kwakungobaba because umuntu ongumama kwakungamelanga.
Just now you said we're not spiritual enough and we are the people that are leading you.
You know what, guys? I'm outnumbered, but iqiniso liyalazi. I'm outnumbered, but iqiniso liyalazi.
Thursday. Why is it abafazi you tend to, let's say a single mother would happy Father's Day to myself?
Yes. That's what I was saying. They started that.
Ask me, I've done it. Ask me, I've done it. Do you know what? It's not a literal meaning. Uguti, happy Father's Day to myself. It's not a literal meaning. But you're looking at the fact, Uguti, okay, in my house, Auntie City, ubaba is the head of the house. He's the head of the family. Nguyikhanda lomuzi, nguyikhanda lemuli. Auntie, nguye olida imuli. Angithi. So in a household where in a female-led household, who is the head of the house?
But that doesn't qualify you to be a father.
I said it's not a literal meaning.
But the fact,
wait.
That's exactly where I was.
In a house where I am the mother and I'm doing, like I said, so listen to me.
You remember when I said, wait.
No, I don't want to wait. Listen, Auntie, it's not a literal meaning. We are talking of the roles that I'm playing within my family. I have a girl and a boy. I'm playing both roles.
Vele, no. She is yena vele usephendula umbuzo
muhle. Kakho.
There is an uncle.
Kakho. Akula auntie, akula brother, akula grandfather.
Wena usuphendule umbuzo muhle. So the reason why men are now bashing women on Father's Day is because you guys have inverted our day. We have never said Happy Mother's Day to ourselves.
We
can't be proud of that. We can't be proud of that.
You guys are not running out of excuses. You will always find excuses.
No,
you will always find.
There are men that are taking care of children. There are a lot of men that do that. I remember when my kid was sick. Like kwakumboa okwinto kwakhona because there is this guy ohlala lo mntana akhe beng2 and umntwana segula so kumele ube la esibhedlela and women were taking like offense ukuthi baba lo udinga so ngani iward yabo mama.
No,
I
can't speak on that because I was not there. Do you know, I'm not saying, do you know what in some scenarios, I've been to health institutions because of kids and stuff. You find a whole father of the child. So kumele amtshintshe ipump kakwanisi.
Mama kakho phela.
So kumele unesi senika ama instructions yenza so kakwanisa. Do you know what then happens? Omunye wabomama ohlezi laphana nguye osezesukume sencedisa. Because sometimes
what's wrong with that?
So where were you going? All this time umntwana lo usekwanisile 1 year. All in the whole year you couldn't even learn to change a napkin.
No, sorry. Uyakwanisa ukuwelda.
No, that's a profession. That's a skill.
I know it's not even. It's basic for men. I can weld, mina. And I'm
no, guys. Umntwana wako, your own child. You can't fananisa umntwana wako lokuwelda. You can't do that.
No, sikhuluma ngezinto esizenzayo. It's so easy for you ukutshintsha isithuba because ukhula vele uthengela odoli vele udlalisa odoli. Mina ngangithengela imoto zamapholisa lembhobho.
A lot of women can drive. I can drive. I can change oil. I can change a tire.
But
because I gave myself time to mina ngazinika isikhathi ukufunda. Why can't you give yourself time with your own child?
Like this. Umama waphiwa igift yokunika umntwana the hardware.
Excuses.
Yes.
Excuses.
No, it's not an excuse.
Excuses.
Don't qualify me to be a woman.
I think one of the things Vedas has charm to the core, right, is that every time I believe when men raise up points, they say we're bringing up excuses.
You know what?
It's not even an excuse.
Can I tell you something?
That you did right now. Right. He was talking about us talking heavy conversations that you might not really understand. Like ukulumas, but I was this kulumangan, so you don't understand, right? You explain the same thing, how you call yourself a father on Father's Day.
And you dismissed it. You dismissed it. Everyone dismissed it.
You were now in his position.
Yeah.
You understand? He did not say excuses.
You know what? Can I tell you something? Can you tell you something? Since this conversation started, akula lapho aba acknowledge khona ukuthi no, lapha we must be doing this and this and that.
We were never going to do that if our Father's Day has been stolen.
Viewers, if you have diligently watched Enkundleni Exclusive, you will find ukuthi where they give me insight. Sometimes I acknowledge it. Oh, okay. So this is what we must be doing. This is how things must be done. But they never do that.
Yeah,
never.
Because you guys are
never. They always have a reason. They always have an explanation. Do you know what? Mina kulo mntu amfundisa wathi inhlakanipho mntanami. Inhlakanipho is ukuvuma sometimes not to win an argument. Get information. Get information. Get insight. Can I give you an example? General has to type he type yokuwina argument.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Do you know that?
Not at all.
You can win an argument in business and lose a customer. Because you want to be right.
No.
Tata knowledge sometimes Okay, going back, we were talking of
men.
We were talking of Leroy.
Oh, we're talking of Leroy. And I'm saying,
uzwile ukuthi ngubiza Leroy. Ngizama ukuthi Leslie.
Yeah. I think I'm saying Leroy. As much as I wouldn't encourage someone ukuthi achieve imuli yakhe.
Labantwana abangu-7.
But the only encouragement that I can give to men is let's find happiness, guys. Guys, like there's a lot that we go through, all in the name of society, all in the name of keeping stamina and showing that you're a man. And at the end of the day, wehluleke ukudla $5 ku salary 500. Let's find happiness, guys.
Guys,
let's go out there, look for happiness. Maunati black lap is shy, bra. Maunati cassette is shy, bra. Because imali yakho at the end of the day.
What I am saying, in the process of finding happiness, don't neglect your children.
What I'm saying is, if
guys,
children are not giving you happiness, Hera, find happiness, Baba.
Anyway, guys, Uskosana is finding his own happiness. That's why I was laughing earlier when you were talking of Uktela. We saw a viral video of Ubaba Uskosana, Ubaba Uskosana. Uyaziwa ukuthi Uskosana yimi, Uskosana wahlabela untete. That was a viral song, which amongst a lot of people, I also loved the song. I loved this kind of bubblegum music. That is our beloved Uskosana. Uskosana siyamthanda. I don't even know why, but we just love Uskosana. And we saw a viral video which garnered a number of mixed views and mixed emotions. Uskosana ufake i-video ecela imota kubaba uchivayo. So he actually even sang a song. He actually sang a song. I'm hoping you guys are going to play the video for abangayibonanga ukuthi bayibone. He actually played a song we chorus nyana. So the usual bubblegum theme of his. And backlash ayithole lapho. But I'm actually glad because we saw also abanye abantu besithi no uSkhosana mekeleni ayenza kwenzayo. Abanye vele they were like no.
Mina I think iproblem esilayo ngeyokuthi umuntu ufuna ukuthi kusebenze iformula yakhe entweni zonke empilweni. Le iformula kaSkhosana ukuthi mase mfuna imota ngizacela kubaba use anike imota then I'm happy.
Now
So because okwenza abanye abantu bazonde bambheshe uSkhosana indaba yokuthi labo bayafisa ukucela izimota but abala spotlight esiloSkhosana esokucela imota so sebezona and he's not the first. I don't want to mention names but we have seen a lot of videos abanye becela indirect. We have seen you.
now the thing mina into akathi inhlekisa were the replies. Kunomunye othe manje ungaphiwa iGD6 Skhosana ifuel uzathela ngani? uSkhosana wathi ngiyathengisa inkomo leziyana azithengelwayo uthena uyathengisa yodwa athele ifuel yakhe aphanye bathi hayi Skhosana why ungaceli itractor uyokulima khona iza kulethela imali wathi wena nxa ufuna itractor ngifuna imota yokuthwala amakatari. Uthe yena ufuna imota yakhe yokuzithwalela amakatari akhe. So lingam-encourage ukuthi acele i-tractor ngoba i-tractor akalamsebenzi layo azayisebenzisa wona. Now, what I am not happy about, what really saddened me is the lack of respect that our society has grown to be. Like you find ukuthi uSkhosana umuntu omdala thina safundisa ukuthi umuntu omdala noma ungavumelani laye uyakhuluma ukuthi hayi into leyi baba ayikho right awumthethisi. So we were seeing a lot of insults towards uSkhosana and you check the profile you find ukuthi it's a very young person ukuthi uSkhosana nxa ngaba nguyise ngibabe ngikhulu. The lack of respect khona ebantwini it's actually so disappointing. It's very disappointing.
Imbuzo yami ayikho mnengi. Imbuzo yami emlutshwane kakhulu on this and umbuzo wami oqala is iproblem ingaphi yokuthi umuntu azicelela imota emuntwini onika abantu izimota. Where is the problem with that? Because let us not politicize everything. Everything is now politics. This is whatever. This is just a general guy and everyone knows uSkhosana. It's not like uSkhosana is a new person. Everyone knows what type of a person Skhosana is. Skhosana is a jovial person. He's always happy. Everything is always okay. And even ungamfaka stage uyakhatha lo nkosikazi wakhe baqalisa ukugida and yinto ayifisayo and so thina as bona labo mathethisa as the faithful fans of uSkhosana have failed to buy uSkhosana a car. And there is a guy that can buy uSkhosana a car. Then uSkhosana usecela imota emuntwini okwanisa ukumthengela. Wena oyehlulekayo usuthinga. Because if you're saying Skhosana is wrong, let us be pointing out to Skhosana wena sikunika imota, sakunika indlu khathesi every month sikunika imali, imusic yakho sayisupport sikwenzele so Skhosana ngemonth wena wenza abo 20,000. Why usicela imota? But what are we doing for him?
Now besides what you're saying, which is right, I bring in argument yokuthi so since abantu bebalisa ukuthi uSkhosana bamncedisa ukwakha umuzi inkomo and stuff like that. Uthi ukuthi umuntu ungathenga ulutho lwakhe abanye bathi bona bangena kuma shows bamnika imali and stuff. So are you saying umuntu ungathenga ulutho lwakhe usu entitled ukuthi yonke into ayenzayo ayenze into ovumelana layo na? Is that what you are saying? Are we also saying ukuthi since uSkhosana kwayenzwa i-fundraising yokuthi akhelwe umuzi yonke into ayenzayo so kumele thina sibone kube into thina esivumelana layo yini? Is that what you are saying?
Kasadluli ku level lomuzi.
Is that what we are saying? Or are we scared ukuthi thina sihamba ngenyawo sigada imchova uSkhosana bese bonakala ehamba ngemota? Kahle these are questions. I'm not saying yikho kukhona, but these are questions ukuthi kati ulaka lonke lolu lokhuzelo oluyenzela olubhodlelwa kusikhosana ngolwani kahle kahle, guys. I think maybe in the comment section khonapho you can tell us ukuthi kusolisana. If you guys are saying gala pride, gala self-respect, nguye, how does it affect you when as a fan likaSikhosana or as a hater kaSikhosana? Affecta njani ukuthi uSikhosana ucele imota ku amabizo abantu ahlupha?
I-team yethu ezwe lonke ifakelwe imali nguse wayisingayiyala
bebehlabela ukuthi bebehlabela ingoma leyana ukuthi violation le boss. They were singing the song.
Imitha wayizumesele. Right, to my fellow artists out there, guys, when you know where the money is, go for it. These people that sometimes try to be super fans and giving you advices of remaining poor, they are the same people that don't want to pay for your shows, that want to see you begging, so that like kube ngani so ngokungumntwana kwabo, so ukuthi namhlanje ugeneral gala mali yokwenza ishow, so nyakwazi ukuthi uzafika kimi azocela ifunding. When you know where the money is, hamba fa hambe thatha imali. Right, I'm wrapping up now. Like I said, we have a book launch this is it this Sunday?
No,
sorry. I'm mixing up things now. Okay, I have a program this Sunday, so I was thinking it's this Sunday. But we have a book launch coming up. I think it's case adi fahla ngalo elibhalwe nkazana lo sestudio.
Nonto tizocube. So ibizo lo wathi ngikhulume isindebele, ibizo logwalo isihlalo sika baba. Lugwalo ke olukhuluma ngezimuli, izinto ezenzakala ezimulini, lokuthi ubaba nxa engekho esuke wasuka emulini wachiya imuli yakhe, impilo iba njani, ku-affecta njani abantwana, ku-affecta njani umama, and also yena ngokwakhe njengobaba kuma-affecta njani. It's a novel, it's a fiction story, but it reflects what is happening in our society. We are seeing a lot of mother, female headed homes, ukuthi ubaba uyabe ngekho but ephila engasobaba osefile. So that is the title of the book, Isihlalo sika Baba, which is coming in July. So guys, please do follow my socials. I've got a lot of exciting activities that are happening to promote the book. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Those are the words. July seems like it's a packed month. Also, July Kompana will give you the actual dates, but around 4-ish Kompana, we've got a night with Butelezwe at Bulawayo Theatre. Zabes Kala, beautiful music, soulful music. It's going to be interesting at Bulawayo Theatre. Just check out our next episodes. A poster is going to be out on the next episodes. I'll be giving you dates, times, loguti kungenwa phela njani, anti kwenze singakhanyisa sihlabele sesicela izimoto sibhadaleni for our shows. On the 19th of July, we've got a night with General Leslie. It's going to be a comedy night, massive. Zabe zikhala baba, ubuyudlile because you can't laugh mawulambile kunzima kakhulu. No, ubuyusuthi bra, you can't laugh. Then ngike ngangena ngathatha ama gossip uyabona mina nje umuntu othanda izinto and apparently upcoming, or no, it's not even an upcoming, a local artist la khona apha lokubulawa is cooking something massive. So uthi hayi Kares General, I know sisify ungabatsheli Kares because this is something so something massive is cooking ngobulawayo, and I promise you on the next episode ngizalitshela umgosi lo engutholeyo, but something massive ephekwayo khona apha kobulawayo. So a lot of things are happening. Let's follow ama artist ethu kobulawayo. Let's follow Nonduduzo ngamabhuku akhe awezihlalo zabobaba. Let's follow General, one of the best comedians in the country. Yesidlalile. Right, but let's follow our artists across all platforms. Ungavela uthi GEN Leslie uyalubone kuphela ngobubu ukuthi lolu yilo lolu loba kuthiwa lolu yilo. But it has been a wonderful, exciting episodes of Enkundleni exclusive. Like we had a lot that we wanted to talk about, but we just got there into this issue of families because we feel like it's an important issue. Ibamba imuli yonke, ibamba abantwana, ibamba wonke umuntu. And thank you Step 3 Events and Oguhle Designs for giving us this opportunity to engage with our fans. I promised you last week ukuthi ngiyabe ngibala ama comments this week bangikhuza but no, this week ungabala ama comments, asiqalisa ukubala ama comments next week. So from the coming week ngiyabe ngiscroll and sithi kari wena Brown thethisela, and then ngiyabe mbuya kuwe personal ngithi Bra into ezileyo la ingichazanga iphemba lithengile so ziyakhala bafethu. But it has been me and Nonduduzo Ncube ukhona across all platforms. Akakho fancy ayisiwe labana bo fancy mascara what. Just go and type Nonduduzo Ncube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube ukhona uyamthola uyapha Nonduduzo Ncube, and you get to follow into zakhe so that you know what's coming up, what's going to be happening in land. But for now we are talking about the book that's coming elithi Isihlalo sikaBaba. I'll be there definitely. Ngizabomba ukuthi mfike kwambanya ngiyabe ngishaya isudu yami black enhle lekepesi yami Step 3 iveza utshengisa abantu ukuthi mvela ngaphi. But from me, General Leslie and Nonduduzo Ncube, salibona singalikhangela.